Hello everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. Today I have a new project that I want to show you. So we are doing a cool new pattern and I want to use this for a scarf. So I'm using the Solavita wool. This has a weight of 50 grams per 87.5 meters of length. And it's out of 60% cotton and 40% acrylic. So the pattern you can divide by 6. Plus you need an additional stitch and the 2 edge stitches. So that means that I have 39 stitches here, so that would be 36 plus the additional 3. And yeah, I did the first 3 rows in just regular knit stitch. So when you do this as your base, you're pretty much ready to go. So I'm gonna show you how you can make this really nice pattern. So take the edge stitch off and do 1 purl stitch. Thread around and 2 stitches together in purl stitch. And then keep taking the thread over the needle and do the 2 purl stitches together. And the edge stitch. Now simply do a whole row in knit stitch and the next row as well. Now do again knit stitches, but after each you take the thread 3 times around the needle. Now do 6 times around so that the edge stitch fits nicely. And in the 8th row, do purl stitches and just let the additional threads fall down, so the triple ones we just did a minute ago. 9th row, cast the edge stitch off and then do 2 off in knit stitch, do the next one in knit stitch and pull the 2 over the 1. Then do 5 together, like watch how I do it. Do 2 together and pull the cast off stitches over. Now again, do 5 stitches out of 1. Again 5 and keep repeating. At the end of the row, do 3 stitches together. Now do 2 rows in knit stitch. here I am now, and now we start the same pattern with 2 purl stitches and 1 time yarn around the needle, and just keep repeating the 8 rows we did. So it's a really simple pattern, and once you kind of get the hang of it, it goes by really quick, so you get results pretty quickly. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Feel free to post any comments or questions, or maybe wishes for future projects, what we might do. If you tried this particular pattern out, feel free to let me know if you were successful or if you maybe found it rather difficult. I'd love to hear back from you. You can also subscribe to the channel, shoot a thumbs up. That way I know I did a good job. And yeah, thanks for watching, Veronika. Hug. I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.